Hello, this is Mike from Toy Train Tips and Tricks with this week's new product announcements for O and O27 gauge operators. See the video description for links to more information for each of these products. Menards made a splash this week with the announcement of the new Beta 4.0 version of their FP7 diesel. This version is an AA powered and dummy set in the classic Santa Fe Bluebonnet scheme. Unfortunately, these beta units sold out in little more than an hour. Menards then announced a non-powered version of the Beta 2.0 FP7 in the Santa Fe Warbonnet scheme. These also sold out within a few hours. Still, these releases show that Menards has not abandoned their locomotive project and is investigating multiple paint schemes for the diesels. Let's see what the future holds. MTH Electric Trains has announced exclusive RailKing O Gauge Rounded roof boxcars for several authorized dealers and organizations. The cars are available in the following versions. Western Maryland for the Community Model Railroad Club in Western Maryland. The pre-order price for this model is $70. In B&O for MTH Authorized Retailer Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia, the pre-order price for this model is $61.99 plus freight. And Pennsylvania Reading Seashore Lines for MTH Authorized Retailer Berwyn's Trains in Berwyn, Illinois. This boxcar will be produced in 2 numbers. The pre-order price is $64.99 plus freight. Each of these cars will be produced in very limited quantities, and they are available on a first-come, first-served basis with anticipated arrival date of January 2023. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing a series of 2023 RailKing O-Scale SD45 diesel locomotives in 5 exciting paint schemes beginning early next spring. Each of these unique schemes will be available in limited production quantities and are expected to begin shipping to authorized retailers in April 2023. The models feature intricately detailed durable ABS bodies, die-cast truck sides, pilots, and fuel tanks, metal chassis, metal handrails and horn, 2 hand-painted engineer cab figures, authentic paint schemes, metal wheels, axles, and gears, 2 remote-controlled protocouplers, prototypical Rule 17 lighting, directionally controlled constant voltage LED headlights, lighted LED cab interior lights, illuminated LED number boards, operating LED ditch lights, 2 precision flywheel-equipped motors, operating proto-smoke diesel exhaust, an onboard DCC-DCS decoder, locomotive speed control in scale mile-per-hour increments, 1/48 scale proportions, Protosound 3.0 with the digital command system featuring freight yard proto effects. The units measure 17 1/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches and operate on O31 and larger curves. The models are available in Erie-Lackawanna Bicentennial colors, Santa Fe Bicentennial colors, Seaboard Coastline, Conrail, and Montana Rail Link. The suggested retail price for these is $419.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive RailKing O Gauge Northern Alberta modern tank car for exclusive distribution by MTH authorized retailer Easy Catch. The tanks will be available in 3 car numbers and will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of January 2023. The early order price for the cars is $67.99 plus freight. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued RailKing O Gauge R.J. Corman American Crane car for exclusive distribution by Berkshire Trains and Vintage Toys. This crane is expected to ship in January 23 and will be extremely limited in production. The early order price is $84.95 plus freight. And MTH has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale Long Island bay window caboose for authorized retailer Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The caboose will be available in 2 cab numbers in very limited production quantities. and will make a perfect complement to previous uncatalogued Train World Long Island rolling stock releases. Delivery is slated for December 2022, and the early order price is $84.99 each, plus freight. These cars will navigate O31 and larger curves. That's all for this week. Until next time, keep the trains running.